Hi guys, I am sitting in, text message. I'm sitting in the cookie pickup line. I just texted my husband and I was like, if you have ever loved me, if there's ever been any love between us, I need you to leave work immediately and come kill me. I've been in this line for an hour now. And multiple people in front of me have trailers.
I hate Girl Scout cookies! I hate them!
Okay. I'm good now. I can keep pretending now. I just have to get it out every now and then. But I realized as I was sitting here in line that I had something in my purse that I wanted to share with you guys, because my mom is amazing and she made it for me. She's going crazy, you guys. She's gone off the journaling and junk journaling deep end, and she's totally lost. We've lost her, and I love it. She's having a ball. But she made this little thing. Look at how freaking cute this is. It looks like a little mini binder, and I'm gonna show you how she made it. Oh God, the line's moving.
The line's moving!
Hold, please. False alarm. So she got this set of envelopes and little tiny cards. Oh, that's another envelope. Another envelope. Here's a card. And then these little cute envelopes. She got a pack of them at Hobby Lobby. They look like, like little tiny thank you notes or something. And they're like kind of an ivory color. I think they were from the Paper Studio. But anyways, regular price, it was like $2 or something. And then she used a 40% off coupon. Or maybe all the paper stuff was 40% off. So anyway, they ended up being like $1. So she gave me some to use because I'm going to show you how I'm going to use them in my journal and make kind of the same type of thing. But this little book is made from these cards. But look at this. Oh my goodness. Like, it's a little mini junk journal. Look at this pretty ribbon. She gave me a piece of this, so I'm going to put it in my journal. Oh my God, doesn't it make you want to die? It's so cute. Oh Lord. Okay, so how am I going to show this? So it's made from the envelopes being put together by like this. And then they become like a little like binder, folder kind of thing. I am explaining this terribly. And then they each have a little pocket. So it's like a little surprise. It's just like a little surprise. And then she used a scrapbook pack from Hobby Lobby. I can't remember which one it was. I'll have to ask her. But then she put little things in each of the pockets. Like you could journal in this. You could use it as a little, oh, hold on. They just took my troop number. That means we're making progress. It's only been an hour and 10 minutes. So, about freaking time! No, I'm just kidding. I love these volunteers. They give their time to do this, and I think that's phenomenal. So, I pulled this from this little... Oh, we're moving. Oh, never mind. Okay, I'm gonna have to come back. This guy's gotta reverse his 30-foot trailer into the warehouse. Wait, never mind. They're not gonna be able to get me with his flipping thing here. So anyway, I pulled this little book out of this pocket, and look at this. Oh my goodness. It's like a little mini junk journal. She made it from the cards, and then she put little pieces in here, and then put stuff on the spine, and then she sewed she sewed the spine with like a cute stitch, and then like used a distressing ink pad. I think it was a Tim Holtz like vintage paper or something like that. They've got those ink pads that have the that you can make things look kind of vintage. Isn't this the cutest flipping thing? Oh my goodness. So that was from that pocket. She's so stinking cute. I love the papers that she picked for this. Aren't they fun? This vintage, like, it looks like a sofa from the 70s or the 50s or something. And I love it. I love vintage florals. So this was from this middle pocket, and it's like a little, again, she used the cards, but made a little pocket on the front side of the card that's sewn, and then it has a little tag in it. And then on the inside, it has a pocket with a little tag. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh man, so that was in the middle pocket, and then this last pocket here by the little binder flap has this little book in it. Oh my goodness. So this one, she made like a side pocket. Look at how cute that is. And then it's got this little thing that she stuck in there. Oh, it has a little surprise in there. So these are journaling cards. Look at that. Love it. Life's a bowl of cherries. I think these are little journaling cards from Hobby Lobby. I can't remember what brand they are, but aren't they funny? And then inside, there's another little one. But I love how she used like the edges and made them kind of vintagey looking. Is that not so cute with the how she used her sewing machine? Oh my goodness. And then the back, I just love that. I wonder if you could sew on Tomoe River paper. I don't know. And then that's stuck in here. This was her first attempt, so she said she would change some things next time because she tried to stuff too much paper in it. But like, see, these are the backs of the envelopes, and they're all stuck together by the envelope flap, if that makes any sense. And then you can put it together like this, like it's a little binder, and then tie it with a little ribbon. Now, I just think this is the most adorable flippin' thing, and you could make a little mini, like, baby album, like a little brag book. Like, how cute to make for, like, a grandparent. Like, this is the sort of thing my mother-in-law would carry in her purse and have, like, all her grandkids in it, and then she would show to everybody on the street, and including the person that gives her coffee at McDonald's. Like, she would just, this is so cute. I'm gonna make some for Christmas gifts, I think. So this is like, you take, here's like 3 envelopes, and then, now I might have to get my mom to show us exactly how, but see, if you glued like this back flap onto here, then that makes 1. And then if you glued like this flap onto this flap, did that make any sense? Then you've got like a tri-fold one. So it would go like, this would come in like this. Sorry about the sun. And then this would come in like this. Maybe? Yeah, like that. I think. I'm gonna have to double check with my mom, but that's the basic idea of it. But I'm gonna do something in my journal with it, and I'm excited about it because it would make a really cool, like, little place to tuck, like, thoughts or pictures or something in. So stay tuned for that. I think it's gonna be really cute. So, sorry I've been MIA the last couple of days. I just kind of went off the deep end. Every once in a while, like, I wish that I was capable of like a gray area. Like, I either go super hard or I don't do it at all. And then I inevitably just like crash and burn. So I think that's what happened the last couple of days. So, another text message. All about cookies. So, yeah, I just kind of like crashed and burned, and I had to like step back for a second. And I was working, and it was just particularly stressful at work. So, you know, I just took a day, a mental health day. It wasn't really a mental health day as much as it was like an eat everything in my house day. I feel like I have those days and it's like I set the reset button after I've like made my blood sugar like 2,000, and then I'm like, okay. Totally not the right way to handle things. I think that's called binge eating. I'm pretty sure it is. But anyway, enough about me. I hope you guys enjoyed that little flip through, and I'm back. And we will continue this crazy train. I did some journaling yesterday, but I didn't film it because I don't know. So I hope you guys are doing really well, and that you're not going off the deep end, and that work is not stressful, and that you're having a great week. It's Friday. It's Friday, so that's a good thing, unless you work the weekends, in which case, I'm sorry. It sucks to have everybody be like, it's Friday, and you're like, woo, I gotta go to work. I know the feeling. So in that case, only a couple days till Monday. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate all your comments and interactiveness with me. Sorry, I'm keeping an eye on all the cars around me. It just means the world to me and makes me want to keep posting these videos. So thank you so much. I will see you guys later. Bye.